Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will be installing the Traxxas power supply part number 7286 into my TRX4 Defender. I have a stock XL5 HV and I have the power supply that comes with the Defender light kit. Now the issue is the ESC has a lead running off of it to plug into the power supply. When you upgrade to a Mamba X, that ESC does not. I'm sure there may be another method to run the Traxxas TRX4 light kit, but I found this to be the easiest solution. This is a power supply from a Mini e-Revo. The power supply is very similar to the TRX4 kit power supply. There is a power tap on the end to plug directly to the end of your Traxxas style connector. There is the plug that runs into the ESC. This will be going into channel 1. And there's also a female lead. This is for telemetry. I will not be using this. I usually just tape this off. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to go ahead and just plug this power tap to the end of my Traxxas plug that comes off the ESC. Alright, real simple plug-in. Just want to make sure that the positive goes on the positive side, negative on the negative side. So I'm going to go ahead and put the power supply into the two slots here with some screws. Alright, so I have that all put in place. You want to be careful not to over tighten this. There's really no reason to over tighten it, but you have the risk of breaking one of the posts. So the next thing I'm going to do is just feed the red line to the receiver box. Alright, so the line is run to the other side. I'm going to go ahead and feed this into the receiver box and plug it into channel 1. So that's about it, really. Just got to put the cover onto the receiver box, and I can tidy up the wires a bit, but everything's ready to go. I probably will go ahead and tape off this female lead since I won't be using it. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out. I put a battery in, turn the ESC on. You hear it chirping. And I will plug the line for the lights that run off the body into the power supply. Alright guys, so that's about it. I found this to be the easiest way to run the Traxxas light kit when upgrading your ESC. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and have a great day.